Yo, I came to Petitenget Seminyak especially for some of my viewers. I'm gonna show you the least visited place here in Seminyak. Not too many videos around and everything, but in my opinion, worth to have a look. But let's jump quickly to the beach first, because unfortunately I believe it's gonna be rainy soon. Petitenget in Seminyak, at the front of the legendary place called Lalshiola, which is open, of course, since the last few months. Year probably after the pandemic. It was closed during the pandemic, but it's one of the favorite places for many of you who hang out or live in Seminyak. So this is it. Just gonna show you a little bit of the beach situation today, because it's cloudy and probably gonna be rainy though. But yeah, Seminyak is divided by two parts, by the way. Where is the Akayaya Street and Eat Street, Aka Eat Street, and of course the legendary La Plancha area, 66 beach, but also Petitenget, which is more into a little bit expat vibe and also tourists actually. So La Luciola is the behind me beach, and also gonna walk maybe little bit show you around. Not that much is going on actually, but the weather is suck. But it's Friday when I'm filming it, so supposed to be kind of busy. So the hotels what you see over there will be Alila, and then next will be W in Seminyak, and of course facing that direction you are facing the Canggu and everything what is into direction of Canggu. Obviously a lot of local people hanging out actually around since always actually. This is legendary La Luciola, also the view without my face. With this legendary 4 or 5 palm trees, coconut trees obviously. Then in the background there will be the Legian Seminyak Hotel, and of course you're gonna face and go direction into Seminyak, Legian, Kuta and so on. As you can see in the background, the Uluwatu and GWK and stuff. So the first beach club will be the Kudeta legendary place, also the Potato Head. So this is basically how does it look like. But the weather is a little bit cloudy today, so most likely no sunset, unfortunately. But not always is sunset, and it's also rainy season already, obviously. And this is the entrance to the parking lot in Petitenget, and they have few restaurants like a Shrimps, Motel Mexicola and stuff. What not too many people showing on YouTube, including myself, for many various reasons. Long time ago this area actually was so prime and so busy, even small. Actually, if you go that direction, there is the Kayaya Street, Akaid Street, where I used to film many times. Back to a few years back, it was very busy here. Actually, still it's not too bad. There are some freelancer drivers and everybody who are just talking something funny to the camera. And then there is the shrimp place, and there will be also a few others what I'm gonna show you. Technically there is Vin Plus, which is the Australian, or at least it was like back to 5-6 years ago. Actually, long time ago I wanted to get a job there, so I have an interview. It was the Aussie lady, forgot her name though, but that's the long story. It was ages ago, not actual anymore. And there is the legendary Neon Palms here, like this one. Nice place. Also up there is the little cafe. Actually, I wouldn't mind to have a coffee maybe, but I'm afraid as the rain will come and I'm not gonna get wet going by bike, unfortunately. So yeah, down Palms, down there's boutique, up there is the coffee shop and another great place for pictures. As you see, the ladies are making pictures and everything, cool for Instagram. And then at the background there is the Sea Circus, which is also operating. This area is like, had there 5 minutes. It's not that popular anymore. However, I remember very well when I was very hyped, everything around here. The Sea Circus is open actually, just not much is going on. And then there will be the Colony Hotel here, like this one, also nice. I never stayed there, but looks good, like the Colony style. Not much less from the Dutch colonialization, but that's the thing. Kim Su, nice restaurant, also I think Australian management, not sure if the ownership but the management for sure. Open at morning for the coffee, great place, breakfast, still popular. And then there is the Samaya Hotel, 5-star luxury resort, but not that big, but nice. Oh, and somebody drove the Mini Cooper here. So that's like a small corner, the Vin Plus here, basically. They changed also a lot of things actually here recently. They opened like a little bar also, available from the street perspective. And then there is the Motel Mexicola, where I'm heading, and Di Prima Hotel. And basically so many villas dim inside on this little alley. A lot of villas what you can rent privately, and many people do so. And then you can get directly to the Kayuaya Street, aka H Street, what I always film in Seminyak, where so many restaurants. Motel Mexicola was such a legendary and busy place. However, they also opened another outlet in Canggu recently. Also made a video. So as you can see, that's the present situation. Also, this place will be very busy at night, especially today, like at 10, 11 p.m. That will be like this one. And then they have villas going that direction. A lot of people like to stay here, especially Australian people. That's why most of those places are owned by the Australians. Actually, interesting facts. But not like a Kuta vibe Australians, but Seminyak Australian vibe, if you know what I'm talking about. And Motel Mexicola is also owned by the Australian, by the way. That's the big group actually of the restaurants. And technically I'm making this video today also for the special request of my Australian viewers. So hope so you enjoy, especially for you guys. And yeah, let me know which area would you like me to cover next, perhaps tomorrow. Of course, continuation of the Petitenget street, starting from this spot going up to Kerobokan, that direction. There you're going to find all of the places like hotels, Alila, W, Potato Head and stuff, going up to many legendary places in Petitenget. However, as you already maybe realized, this area not that busy like it used to be, and also exactly the same people who request that said the same. That's why I'm here. And well, this restaurant was also owned by the Australian people. I used to talk with them, but they are gone. But that's all back to 5 years ago or more. So that's the thing. Either way, the same like we make a video yesterday, as the more and more west parts of Bali developing so much. Even Canggu is already growing more and more into west, into Tabanan direction. The older parts like Kuta, Legian, and then Seminyak slowly they living apart to being like alone, abandoned. Not much is going on, and it will be quieter and quieter each year. Unfortunately, but hopefully I'm wrong. But most likely, unfortunately, not really. Also, as the bonus content is that as Biku is closed recently, as you can see, that was the Biku restaurant for many years. Unfortunately, is gone. Actually, this one they already totally destroyed, demolished the building. But don't worry, they are moving to different places. Not as it's closed forever, gone brand. Just this location is gone. That's also mean as it's not so hot spot anymore. Unfortunately, I used to like this place. I'm gonna tell you.